Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating history of rockets, the incredible machines that have taken humanity to the stars and beyond. From ancient inventions to modern space exploration, rockets have a rich and exciting history. So, let's blast off into the past and explore how it all began. Our journey starts over 1,000 years ago in ancient China. Around the 9th century, Chinese inventors created the first known rockets. They used a simple mixture of saltpeter, sulfur and charcoal to make gunpowder, which they packed into bamboo tubes. When lit, these tubes would shoot up into the sky with a fiery tail. Initially, they were used for fireworks to celebrate festivals and ward off evil spirits. But soon, these early rockets found a more serious use in warfare. The Chinese military used them as weapons, attaching them to arrows and launching them at their enemies. These fire arrows were some of the earliest examples of rocket-powered weapons. The knowledge of gunpowder and rockets spread from China to the Middle East and then to Europe. By the 13th century, European armies were experimenting with their own versions of rockets. These early rockets were still quite simple, but they laid the groundwork for future innovations. In the 16th and 17th centuries, rockets continued to evolve. Scientists and inventors began to understand the principles of propulsion better. One notable figure was Kazimierz Siemianowicz, a Polish-Lithuanian artillery expert who wrote a book in 1650 detailing how to build multi-stage rockets. This idea of using multiple stages to achieve greater distances would become crucial in modern rocketry. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and we see the birth of modern rocketry. Three key pioneers emerged: Konstantin Tsiolkovsky in Russia, Robert Goddard in the United States, and Hermann Oberth in Germany. These visionaries laid the scientific foundations for space travel. Tsiolkovsky is often called the father of astronautics. In 1903, he published a paper outlining the use of liquid fuels for rockets and the idea of using rockets to travel into space. His work inspired future generations of rocket scientists. World War II marked a turning point in rocket history. Both the Allies and the Axis powers invested heavily in rocket technology. The most notable development was the German V-2 rocket, the world's first long-range guided ballistic missile. Designed by Wernher von Braun and his team, the V-2 rocket could travel over 300 kilometers and was used to attack Allied cities. Despite its destructive purpose, the V-2 represented a major technological leap and provided valuable knowledge for post-war space exploration. After World War II, the United States and the Soviet Union emerged as superpowers and competitors in the space race. This competition spurred rapid advancements in rocket technology. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite, into orbit using an R-7 rocket. This historic event marked the beginning of the space age. In the decades following the space race, rockets have continued to evolve. Today, they are used for a variety of purposes, from launching satellites to exploring distant planets. The Space Shuttle program, which ran from 1981 to 2011, used reusable spacecraft to carry astronauts and cargo to space. This innovation made space travel more cost-effective and opened up new possibilities for scientific research. In recent years, private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin have revolutionized rocketry with reusable rockets. SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy, as well as Blue Origin's New Shepard, have made space access more affordable and have reignited interest in space exploration. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Leave a comment below to let us know what space topics you'd like us to explore next. Until then, keep looking up.